She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. And I know guys, it has been a minute since we've done a blending video, but today we are back with another blend request. And actually with this one, I posted a picture to my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube asking which colors you guys wanted me to blend. And someone on my Facebook, Risa King here, wanted to see burgundy, brown, and blonde. And so we did the colors. I did that red, looks like a reddish burgundy color, the color 4, and this color 613. So that's what we'll be blending in this video here today. And I know some of you guys have been going to my website wanting to purchase some of my blends, and I had to put that on hold. As some of you may know, your girl bought a house. Whoop, whoop. So I did move this month, and I had to prepare for my move with packing, just everything. The whole process of getting a house was just so hectic for me. And then the actual move and moving in and now settling in, I had to put this website on hold. By the way, if you guys want to see a house tour, let me know if you guys want to see an empty house tour or a fully furnished house tour. So I don't have everything in my home right now. I do have some things, but I'm still working on getting things furnished and all of that. So if you want to see an empty house tour, you guys got to let me know like ASAP, because I am getting some furniture here in a couple of days. But if you want to see like a fully furnished house tour, let me know in the comments below. I'll be able to get that out once my home is completely fully furnished, which may take a while, but I got you guys. Anyways, but back to the website, I do plan on getting that reopened here soon, and I am so excited, you guys, because I do have some new blends that I'll be dropping on the website. Now, they're not new blends that I haven't done on this channel. They're just blends that I have not posted on the site for purchase. So I'm excited to get those out to you guys. I don't have an exact date. I apologize, you guys. I don't have an exact date, but I am working hard to get that out so I can get this website open so you guys can purchase these blends. And I just appreciate you guys' patience and still rocking with your girl here with these videos and these blends. And I promise I'll be out soon with some amazing blends. I appreciate all the support. I'm gonna let you guys watch this video here. If you have a new blend request from maybe the picture that I posted earlier, because of those colors I do still currently have, so you can drop them in the comments below and maybe your next video. But yeah, I will let you guys watch this, and I hope you guys be blessed, stay safe, stay filled with love and peace, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Make sure to watch until the end. You guys will see what this blend looks like as a braid, like a traditional braid. You'll see what it looks like as a knotless braid, and you'll also see what it looks like as a twist. I always show you guys what these blends look like at the end of the video, so I hope you guys stay put and watch so you can see the outcome of that. Let me know what you think of this blend in the comments below. If you like this content, don't forget to like this video. It really does help the channel. Also subscribe and turn on your bell notification. And I think that's it. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.